Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to Mr. Grable's Grade 3 math class, where we love to do riddles from the grapes of math. Only 2 more left, but this is a good one. It's for the birds, and you know birds have eggs, and they put their eggs in their nests. So here we go. Listen close. Make sure you do your grouping, adding, subtracting, multiplying, maybe even dividing, but not usually on these. For the birds. Before you have too big a clan, it's good to have a housing plan. Instead of building one big nest, lots of small ones may be best. How many eggs are in this bunch? Count them quick before they hatch. Here's a hint you can't ignore. Adding's fast with groups of 4. Try to get them in groups of 4 and you'll figure it out faster. Here we go. Okay, were you able to do it? Some of them are already in groups of 4. I see 1, 2, 3 are in groups of 4. But not all of them. How many baskets were there? Well, let's take a look. So in your top row here, you see how there's 4 there. There's 3 there, so we need 1 more. Ooh, we could take 1 from the 5 and put it there, so there's 4 all the way across. So there's really 4 groups of 3. 4 times 3. 3/4. You know what that is. Then there's 4 here. Good. 3 there and 3 there. Oh, not enough. Maybe we could borrow from down here. There's 5 there. Put 1. Oh, not there. Put 1 there. Oh, there's 4 there. Good. There's 5 there. Oh, good. Put 1 there. So really, if you switch them around a little bit, there'd be 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Ooh, that's a lot of 4s. Ooh, 3 times 3. 3. Groups of 3. 9. 9 fours. 9 fours. 4 times 9. 9 times 4. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. There's a lot of ways to make 36. Oh, yes, it's 36. So either you can go 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 12, and 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 12, and 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 12, and 12 plus 12 is 24, plus 12 is 36, or you could go 4 in each times 9. 4 times 9 is also 36. Wow, lots of ways to get 36. I'm glad we didn't go 1, 2, 3. Don't do that. You are learning to be great groupers. What a great group you are. Have a great day. Bye-bye.